Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off highways on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off highways on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And when you land on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And when this kind of interface appears, at the bottom of the screen, you can see there's the settings option available for us. Tap on settings. And when this interface appears, scroll down to the bottom of the list where you can see the navigation settings over here. Tap on navigation settings and scroll down a little bit, and you will find the avoid highways option over here. Now, in order to turn off highways on your Google Maps, anytime you search for a destination, make sure the avoid highways is turned on. When the toggle icon turns to blue, it is turned on. And anytime you search for a route or a destination in Google Maps, your highways will be turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off highways on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.